Well, hello there, all you world shakers. This is Uncle Dean coming to you from the Bitterroot Wilderness. I just wanted to show you this new project that I was working on. These are two of them BLDC. Well, let's say they started out as AC motors, but now they're kind of half and half. This in here, this has been rewired for low voltage to use for wind power. Yep, and that one there, that one's been split down. And this is the one that I took and separated 3 of these coils and rewired them for DC. I went 3 phases, 120 degrees out from each other. Okay, that's the drive motor right here, but it's only being driven by 9 coils. The rest of them coils are output, and I was going to show you what kind of output I'm getting on this between both of these. Okay, well, right here we got two of our testers. One is the old analog. Excuse me, there's my finger again. Got a habit of doing that. Anyways, if you can read that old boy, let me see if I can get a little better lighting in there, a little better angle of the dangle. Anyway, she's right at, I'm running on about 23, 24 volts. Okay. And this one over here, this is this digital here is hooked up to one of these motors. Okay. I just wanted you to see what the input voltage was. Okay, and now we're going to come over here and we're going to start it up. Now I've got it hooked up right now, right here and right here. Okay, and that line goes right over, coils up right there, and it hits that rectifier, and then it goes right inside this motor here. Okay, that's the feed for the metal shielded BLDC or whatever the hell you want to call it, pancake motor. Okay, and then I've got the other set of leads off of this motor. Remember, I got one of them's a drive. This is the drive, and it's going to the motor control here, and there's the rheostat for it up here. And down, and then this other set of wires, there's the original feed, the original wires feed from that other motor, and it's going down, going into a loop here, and it goes right up into rectifiers. Okay, I've taken and turned 2 of them flat rectifiers into a 3-phase rectifier. And if anybody wants to know how to do that, just drop me a line and I'll show you. It's real easy. You don't got to have 3 of them to do it. It works just fine. Anyway, here we go, boys and girls. Hold your hats and grab your socks. I got to give her a little nudge. All right. Right now we're showing the voltage off of this. A little noisy in that spot. Turn it down just a hair into idle. Okay, right now we're showing about 16 volts. 16, almost 17 volts. Now let's kick her on up. This is DC, the low voltage now, remind you. Top in 35. Okay, looks like he's getting a little sleepy. Let's shut him again. Turn him back on. 35, 60 volts. There's your top power for that. Now I'll do a quick swap over on my leads. Take that one over and put it on our purple one. You take this in and put it on the ground. Okay, now there's what my motor's pumping out. That's the extra voltage. You see, that's a motor alternator combination. So now I got a low RPM generator on the one end, alternator actually, and a motor driven one on the other end. Anyways, I'm getting 160 volts out of that side and 35 on DC. And this has already been rectified, but that can be used for AC voltage. I mean, that's good voltage. Anyways, I just thought I'd show that to you, and it's only taking about 3 amps to run this, 3 or 4 amps. I'd have to check it with my meter. I'm not sure where that's at. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I know a little bit more. We're going to get this, see if we can get this big guy to work for a power station. And I've got some super capacitors I want to set up for the feed. And then if it has its own isolated feed, it'll charge our batteries up just fine. Anyways, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Like I say, GWG works for me.